coated with pride, plunged in adoration, fly in magnificence. Moments of freedom in shade of bliss. We belong to India, a nation of pride, and we will accordingly express proud to be an Indian. A pleasant morning to one and all. Well-acclaimed chief guest, Mr. M.B. Raja, dynamic principal Reverend Sister Marceline D'Souza, respected management sisters, PTA members, beloved parents, dedicated teachers, non-teaching fraternity, ancillary staff, and certainly my dear companions. We are here to commend the 78th Independence Day of our nation. A heartfelt and warm greeting to everyone. The present dignitaries are now at the entry. In a brief time, we will have the school band accompanying our dignitaries towards the stage. I request all to stand and welcome them.
On this event of extraordinary pride and honor, I take immense pleasure to wish you everyone a happy Independence Day. We praise this day with utmost serenity and responsibility on the ground that Indian independence movement is studded with commitment of numerous people who laid down their lives for the noble cause of our country.
Today, we the proud Indians have accumulated to communicate our feelings of positive energy and give proper respect to our incredible political dissidents for carrying our country right up till now effectively. The drum beat rolls, the band strikes up, and a sharp voice gives an order. The synchronized swing of arms and the crashing feet make something inside us. Presently, we are here to observe the march past from the Scout and Guide cadets of our school.
stand it is.
Prayer is not mere asking. It is a daily admission of one's weakness. It is better in a prayer to have a heart without words, but not without a pure heart. So let's invoke God's blessing through a prayer song.
हे दुनिया के लोगों, ऊंची आवाज करो, गाओ खुशी के गीत, उसका गुणगान करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो। दुनिया के लोगों, ऊंची आवाज करो, गाओ खुशी के गीत, उसका गुणगान करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो। याद रखो कि वही एक खुदा है, हमको ये जीवन उसी ने दिया है, उस चारपाई से हम सब है आए, हमको सना के हम गीत गाए। रब का तुम शुक्र करो, ऊंची आवाज करो, गाओ खुशी के गीत, उसका गुणगान करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो।
Thank you for your devoted prayer service.
Words are flapidals that are sprinkled with aroma to welcome all with warm greeting. Daylight is something inviting that brings the part of brilliance. I now invite Trisha of grade 9 to the dais with their expressions of welcome.
A warm welcome is not just a greeting, it's a promise of meaningful connection and memorable experience. Respected dignitaries on the days, sisters, teachers, non-teaching staffs, parents, and my dear friends, a pleasant morning to you all. I, Trisha from grade 9, take this opportunity to welcome you all and to extend a further word of welcome to everyone here this morning. I feel privileged to stand before you to welcome our today's chief guest, Mr. M.B. Raja, on behalf of our correspondent, principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Mr. M.B. Raja, a man of extraordinary dedication and service, was born on 29 July 1952 in Kodagu. Despite losing his father at a tender age of 4, he completed his education in Coorg, demonstrating resilience and determination from a young age. At 20 in 1972, he answered the call to serve his nation by joining the Indian Army. He received his training in Jabalpur and was subsequently posted on the Sikkim-China border for 5 years. Showcasing his commitment and bravery, his military career took him across various crucial postings, including Kolkata, Kashmir, and Mathura. He was involved in the Operation Blue Star in Punjab in 1984, a significant event in the Indian history. Throughout his service, Mr. Raja's athletic expertise shone brightly. He was a celebrated athlete and a sportsman, winning numerous medals and prizes, including the prestigious cross-country race in Goa. In 1989, after 17 years of distinguished service, he took voluntary retirement from the Indian Army. His dedication to service continued as he joined the State Bank of India in Mangalore in 1990. Over the next 23 years, he contributed significantly to the bank, earning respect and admiration from colleagues and clients alike. After retiring from SBI in 2013, he now enjoys his well-deserved retirement with his family while actively engaging in social service. Dear Sir, we extend a warm and respectful welcome to you. May your presence enrich our gathering and may your life's journey continue to inspire us all. And now, as a badge of honor, I invite dear Principal Reverend Sister Marceline D'Souza to welcome Mr. M.B. Raja with a shawl and a sapling. It is my great pleasure to extend a warm welcome to our beloved principal, Reverend Sister Marceline D'Souza, who has been a beacon of leadership and inspiration at Nazareth School. Under her guidance, our school has flourished, achieving remarkable milestones and fostering an environment where students and teachers alike can thrive. I request Mrs. Priscilla Ma'am to welcome our principal, Reverend Sister Marceline D'Souza, with a sapling. A warm welcome to you, dear sister. A gracious welcome to our school's Vice President, Mr. Ajay Terence Cardoza, for today's program. I call upon Mrs. Shalma Ma'am to welcome Sir with sapling. I also welcome our school's PTA Secretary, Mrs. Ashika Thakur, for today's program. I call upon Mrs. Carlin Ma'am to welcome her with sapling. It is my great honor to welcome the two esteemed members of our institution, Sister Elizabeth and Sister Vincy, to this program. I invite Mrs. Divya Ma'am and Mrs. Jyoti Ma'am to kindly bestow a warm welcome to the sisters. I would also like to welcome our dedicated teaching and non-teaching staffs, parents and my dear friends. A warm welcome to all of you for today's program. Once again, a warm welcome to all of you. May this celebration fill our hearts with pride, our minds with hope and our actions with purpose. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, Trisha, for your beautiful expressions of welcome. A thoughtful mind, when it sees a nation's flag, actually sees not the flag but rather the nation itself. Regardless of our way of life, human advancement, caste, belief, and religion, the prominent binding factor is our tricolour national flag. I would like to request our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. M.B. Raja, to hoist our national flag, the symbol of our national pride and identity. Further orders will be given by the school head boy, Advait of grade 10.
School, stand at ease.
तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा सदा शक्ति सरसाने वाला प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला वीरों को हर्षाने वाला मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा.
The tricolor symbolizes courage, mental fortitude, and prosperity. Allow your spirits to take off with the Indian flag today. Let us carry the warmth of today's pride movement, the strength of unity, and the power of collective aspirations. Remember, together we can achieve greatness. Now I request our esteemed chief guest, Mr. M.B. Raja, to address the gathering.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರಾದ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಇವತ್ತು 78ನೆಯ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯದ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ದೇಶದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಾಜಿ ಸೈನಿಕನಾಗಿ ದೇಶ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ನಂತರ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ 23 ವರ್ಷ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2013ರಲ್ಲಿ ಜುಲೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನಗೆ ದೇವರ ದಯದಿಂದ 2 ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ನಾನು ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸುವುದು, ಈ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋರಾಡಿದರೆ 1947 ಮುಂಚೆ ಈ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಡಿದ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರನನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ನೆನೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಕೊಡುಗೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ನೆನೆಸಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ನಾನು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದು, ತಾವುಗಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಕಲಿತು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ತರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೂ ಸೇನೆಗೆ ನೀವುಗಳು ಸೇರಬೇಕು. ಹುಡುಗಿಯರಾಗಲಿ ಹುಡುಗರಾಗಲಿ, ಸೇನೆಯಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸೇವೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೇನೆಯಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಉತ್ತಮ ಸೇವೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕುವುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ತಾವುಗಳು ಕಲಿತು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ತಂದು ತಾವುಗಳು ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿ ಇದೇ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವರು ಸಿಕ್ಕದಿರಕಿರು ಸಾಕು, ಹೊರಗೆಯೂ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅವರನ್ನು ನೀವು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇಂಥ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಂಥದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಆ ಟೀಚರ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಒಂದು ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಸಹ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದೇ ಜರೆ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತದ್ದು. ನಾನು ಯಾವರಿ ಮಂಡೇ ಆ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಎವರಿ ಮಂಡೇ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗಲೂ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಈವನ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು MA ಕಲ್ತಳು ಕೊಣಾಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋಗಶಂಕರ್ನ ಯಾರು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಲ 2 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ವಿಚಾರಿಸಿ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳು, ಬರೀ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸಹ ಬಂದು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹಾಗೂ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮನೇಲೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಕಲಿತಾರೆ, ಟೀಚರ್ಗಳು ಕಲಿಸಲ್ಲ, ಟೀಚರ್ಗಳು ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸಹ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಕೊಂಡೋಗಬೇಕು. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಗೇಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೋಗೋದು ಬಿದ್ದುಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೈಗೆ ಗಾಯ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಗಾಯ ಆಗಂತದ್ದೇ ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ತಿಳಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ತಂದು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆ ಉನ್ನತಕ್ಕೆ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಂದ ಕಳಕಳಿಯಿಂದ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಈ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಾತಿಗಾಗಿ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟದಾಕಿ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಂದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom, which is actually a pathfinder for ourselves, which will give us motivation in our future process. Allow us to commit this Independence Day to the children of the country and begin our cultural programs. A drill shows us the significance of discipline in our lives. It demonstrates the way that flaw and flawlessness can remain inseparable. We are delighted in introducing you with the march drill by the students of our school.
freedom, my lord, let my country awake. A very good morning to the respected principal, esteemed dignitaries, respected management sisters, committed non-teaching staff, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Ashwin, from grade 8, take this opportunity to enlighten us about India's independence. Today, as we gather here to commemorate the 70th Independence Day, our hearts are filled with an overwhelming sense of pride and gratitude. We stand united, paying homage to those courageous patriots who fought valiantly to make our beloved motherland free from the clutches of the British colonial rule. This day stands not only as an historical milestone but as a resounding testament to India's triumph of bravery, unity, and resilience, symbolizing our inherent right to self-determination and the fundamental principles of humanity that bind us together as a nation. Today is a very significant day for all Indians, which we celebrate remembering the great sacrifices of those Indian heroes who laid down their lives for the freedom and prosperity of our country. Freedom of India was possible due to the cooperation and sacrifice of all Indians. We should value and salute all Indian citizens as they are the real national heroes. We should keep faith in the secularism and be united so that no one can break in and rule again. Education serves as the bedrock of our nation's progress. It is a powerful instrument of empowerment. It provides a youth the wings to soar to new heights of knowledge, creativity, and innovation. As the educated youth of our country, let us make a promise to our motherland that we help the downtrodden stand upon their feet with the help of education and literacy. To conclude, let us all chant this invigorating slogan that inculcates in us the spirit of patriotism. One nation, one vision, one identity. No nation is perfect. It needs to be made perfect. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashwin, for widening our perspectives on today's celebration. A melody around one's nation accomplishes such a great deal more. It rouses you and lights an energetic enthusiasm inside. Enthusiastic melodies make our heart grow proudly as we look on at the rise tricolor on this day. Presently, my companions are here to offer their thanks towards our country through a devoted tune.
बोलो भारत माता की Thank you, my dear companions, for the sweet recognition delivered to our country. Without ambition, one starts nothing. Without work, one finishes nothing. The award won't be shipped off you. You need to win it. Over to you, Shalma ma'am, for the announcement of the prizes.
In this regard, several competitions were held for the students. Here is the list of prize winners from grade 5 to 7. I request Mr. M.B. Raja, chief guest of today's program, to present the certificates in speech, second in calligraphy, third in singing. Haniel Pinto. He has bagged first in drawing and first in calligraphy. Rupali Ranjan, second in speech, third in calligraphy. Lisa Jean Pinto, first in singing. Mahia Mehal Suvarna, second in drawing. Riola Lisha D'Souza, second in singing. Arya Lakshmi Shekhar, third in speech. Ira Danin PB, third in drawing. Grade 5th B, Trisha DK. She has bagged first prize in speech, first in calligraphy, second in singing and third in drawing. Debanshi Adwa, first in drawing, third in speech. Riona Elisha Dias, second in speech and third in calligraphy. Privisha Gia D'Souza, first in singing. Olivia Prince D'Souza, second in calligraphy. Arul Sherwin Mabin, second in drawing competition. Disha Snehal Monis, first in singing, second in speech. Nishmita M, first in essay writing, third in speech. Harlan Rishon D'Souza, first in speech, third in essay writing. Kian, first in poster making. Vandana, second in poster making. Danvi Mahesh, second in singing. Abhinav P, second in essay writing. Suha Fatima, third in poster making. Sharav G, third in singing competition. Grade 6B, Trishul DK. He has secured second prize in speech, third in poster making and third in singing. Anjali Sharma, first in essay writing, second in singing. Sanvi Kiran, first in speech, third in essay writing. Fatima Insha, first in poster making. S. Drashti Bandari, second in poster making. Shriyan Harisha, second in essay writing. Now I request Sister Principal to give away the prizes. Grade 7th A, Kartika PC Acharya, first in singing, third place in speech and third in essay writing. Stacy Maria Oliveira, first in speech, third in poster making. Davanayan Gowda, second in poster making and second in essay writing. Nathania Jaslyn D'Souza, first in poster making. K. Vishak Acharya, first in essay writing. Atriya Thakur, second in speech competition. Jonathan Riansh Fernandez, second in singing. Jeffin Sian Karkada, third in singing. Grade 7th B, Kripadi, first in poster making, first in essay writing, second in speech and second in singing competition. Sia Elisa Rajesh, she has bagged first prize in speech and third in singing. Chirag Manohara Suvarna, first in singing, third in speech competition. Kristen John Fernandez, second in essay writing. Daivik H, second in poster making. Johanna Mercy Krasta, third in essay writing. Neon Nazred from grade 5th B, he has secured third prize in singing competition. Thank you, sister. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Each day of festivity has its importance and authentic significance. In comparable way, the present celebration of Independence Day has more noteworthy significance. So presently, may I call upon Pranav of grade 10 to talk on the significance of today.
ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾರ್ಸಲಿನ್ ಡಿಸೋಜರವರೇ, ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃಂದದವರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಇಂದು ನಾವು 78ನೆಯ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷವೂ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15ರಂದು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ ದಿನದಂದು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಹೊಂದಿದ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಲು ಈ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ ದಿನದಂದು ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿಯ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ, ಧ್ವಜಾರೋಹಣ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಂತೆಯೇ ನಾವು ಸಹ ಇಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರ ತ್ಯಾಗವನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಗೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವು ಹಲವು ಮೈಲುಗಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡಿದೆ. ಆರ್ಥಿಕ, ರಾಜಕೀಯ, ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಂತಾದ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧನೆಯು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಹ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಅಸಮಾನತೆ, ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಮೇಲಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರದ ಕಿರುಕುಳಗಳು ಕಂಡುಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಾದ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾದ ನಂತರ ನಾವು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಾಧಿಸುವ ಅವಕಾಶ ನಮಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ತಂದುಕೊಡಲು ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿ, ಲಾಲ್ ಬಹದ್ದೂರ್ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿ, ಬಾಲ್ ಗಂಗಾಧರ್ ತಿಲಕ್ ಮುಂತಾದವರು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ತನ್ನ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ದೇಶದ ಜನರ ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮೀಸಲಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೋಗಲಾಡಿಸಲು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಎಂದು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕರೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, Pranav, for rousing and inspiring us. We are honored to reserve an option to talk and to be heard of the courageous people battle for the sake of our country. We should pause for a minute and consider their penance and what they needed to pay for the opportunity we appreciate. Presently, I want to consider Sohan of grade 9 to edify us with his expressions of energetic soul.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, माननीय अतिथि, शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आप सभी को 78वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मैं सोहन आज आपके सामने इस दिवस के बारे में कुछ बताने आया हूँ। प्रतिवर्ष 15 अगस्त को भारत देश के स्वतंत्रता दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। इस दिवस को भारत के इतिहास में स्वर्ण अक्षरों में लिखा गया है। प्रतिवर्ष भारत के प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर आकर राष्ट्रीय ध्वज फहराते हैं, जिसके बाद राष्ट्रीय गान गाया जाता है। सेना द्वारा परेड मार्च और शक्ति प्रदर्शन किया जाता है और सेनानियों को 21 तोपों की सलामी भी दी जाती है। स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने हमारे लिए जो बलिदान दिया है वो सबसे ऊपर है। प्रधानमंत्री देश को संबोधित करते हैं, जिसमें राष्ट्रीय ध्वज के सम्मान में कुछ लाइनें पेश करना चाहूँगा। दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सिर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका, जब तक दिल में जान है, जब तक दिल में जान है। 15 अगस्त स्वतंत्रता दिवस की पर्व को संपूर्ण देश में देशभक्ति, उमंग और जोश के साथ मनाया जाता है। स्कूलों और कॉलेजों में सांस्कृतिक प्रदर्शन का आयोजन किया जाता है। अनेक छात्र अलग अलग पेशकश पेश करते हैं। छात्र भगत सिंह, महात्मा गांधी और अन्य क्रांतिकारी कर नाटक पेश करता है। कोई देशभक्ति से संबंधित कविता सुनाता है और कोई देशभक्ति से संबंधित गीत सुनाता है और सांस्कृतिक प्रदर्शन पर नृत्य भी आयोजन किया जाता है। हमें अंग्रेज़ों के शासन से आज़ादी ऐसे ही नहीं मिली है, हमारे देश के स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के बलिदान की वजह से मिली है। हमें हमारे देश के स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के बलिदान को याद रखते हुए और उनके शासन को बरकरार रखने का प्रण लेना चाहिए। देश के प्रधानमंत्री को हमारे देश में बहुत सारा बरकरार रखना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Sohan, for illuminating our brains with your words. Talk so that others love to pay attention to you. Tune in so that others love to address you. I request our visionary principal, Reverend Sister Marceline D'Souza, to give her significant message.
To all, respected Chief Guest M.B. Raja, PTA members, parents, teachers, students, and my dear friends. As we come together to celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our great nation, I extend my heartfelt greetings to each one of you. This day marks a significant chapter in our history, a day when India broke free from the chains of colonial rule and embraced the dawn of freedom. For our students, this day serves as a powerful reminder of the privileges you enjoy and the responsibility that come with them. The future of our nation rests in our hands. It is up to you to carry forward the legacy of our freedom fighters by upholding the values of justice, equality, and unity. To our esteemed staff, I express my gratitude for your unwavering dedication and commitment to nurturing these young minds. Your role in shaping the future of our nation is invaluable, and together we can guide our students to become the leaders of tomorrow. To our dear parents, I thank you for your constant support and cooperation. Your involvement in your child's education is crucial, and together we can ensure that they grow into responsible and enlightened citizens who contribute positively to our society. Independence Day is not just a day of celebration, but also a day of reflection. Let us all, as members of this school community, pledge to work together in the spirit of harmony and patriotism, striving to build a better, more inclusive India. I would like to thank Mr. Ajay Cardoza and Mrs. Ashika Thakur on behalf of the entire school community. Your unwavering support and dedication throughout this academic year, your commitment as a Vice President Secretary of the PTA has been instrumental in creating a nurturing and dynamic environment for our students. Mr. Ajay Cardoza, your leadership and proactive approach have greatly contributed to the success execution of numerous initiatives. Your ability to bring people together and work towards a common goal has been truly inspiring. Mrs. Ashika Thakur, your meticulous planning and tireless efforts have been ensured that every event and meeting was carried out seamlessly. Your attention to detail and organizational skills have not only enhanced our program, but also strengthened the bond between the parents and the school. Thank you for your exceptional contribution and for always going above and beyond to support our school community. We are deeply appreciative of your hard work and look forward to continuing our collaboration in the future. Also all the PTA members and parents. I want to extend our heartfelt thanks to Mr. Guru Prasad, parent of Dhanik Guru Prasad, grade 5, for providing the refreshments for today's Independence Day program. Your generous contribution not only added a special touch to the event, but also made it more enjoyable for everyone present here. Such gestures of support from parents like you are what help make our event successful and memorable one. We truly appreciate your kindness and involvement in our school activities. Thank you once again for your thoughtfulness and for being such a valued member of our school community. Wishing you all a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sister, for your valuable words. We dance for giggling, we dance for tears, we dance for frenzy. Yet, today we dance for our brilliant country. Presently, the students of our school will exhibit their fervor with a dance performance and show their nationalism towards our country.
जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। शहीद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, इंसान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सलाम सुफलाम सलाम श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सलाम सुफलाम शीतलाम श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम।
ये सारे अपने देश के जवान हैं। इनका ना कोई धर्म है ना कोई जाति। ये अपने देश के अमन और शांति के लिए आए हैं और ये अंतिम सांस तक लड़ते रहेंगे।
Let's get it started. सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। सबके दिलों को मोहब्बत से बांधे जो हम ऐसी जंजीर है। ऊंची उड़ाने हैं, ऊंचे इरादे हैं, हम कल की तस्वीर है। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
तेरा नाम है साचा,
वंदे मातरम, वंदे।
Thank you for the flawless performance. Champions are made when possibilities are changed over into execution. Really, buckle down peacefully. Let achievement be your commotion. Over to you, Vijita ma'am, for the declaration of the prizes.
Good morning, everyone. To felicitate the prizes, I would request Sister Vincy to please come forward. Twin Kumar, first in speech, first in singing, second in poster making. Riyanshi Hanshika, first in poster making, first in essay writing. Nathan Jaden D'Souza, second in speech, third in poster making. Sakina Aliza bint Ashfaq, third in speech, third in essay writing. Danishka, second in essay writing. Yajat Ashwin Nayak, second in singing.
Shirley, third in singing. Grade 8B, Soham S. Kanchan, first in speech, first in singing, second in essay writing. Advit G.A., second in speech, second in poster making, second in singing. Rishan Daryl Cardoza, third in speech, third in essay writing. Lakshan M. Swarna, first in poster making. Aaron Delson D'Souza, first in essay writing. Isam Brian Rodriguez, third in speech. Nihal Kulal, third in poster making. Sohan Henry Pereira, third in singing. Thank you, sister. Now I request Mr. Ajay Terence Cardoza to come forward to present the certificates to the winners. Grade 9A, Krishu Prashant Kumar, first in speech, third in essay writing. Ria Divina Lobo, first in essay writing, first in poster making. Bhuvan Amin, second in speech, second in essay writing. Grishma B, first in singing. Nafisa Nuha, second in poster making. Andrea D'Souza, second in singing. Rufus Jonathan Frederick, third in speech. Shamit, third in poster making. Asher Cezanne D'Souza, third in singing. Grade 9th B, Gavin Daniel Nazareth, first in speech, first in singing, first in essay writing. Riva Velani Krasta, second in speech, third in singing. Vaibhav T.S., third in poster making, second essay writing. Meha S.K., first in poster making. Fatima Zad Afshan, second in poster making. Rozan Ferrao, second in singing. Sohan Kumar, third in speech. Sivin Sunil, third in essay writing. Thank you, sir. May I now request Mrs. Ashika Thakur to award the talented winners with the certificates.
Grade 10th A, K. Sindhura Holla, first in speech, first in poster making, second in essay writing. Rachel Swimmel was first in singing. Ashley River D'Souza first in essay writing. Kriti R. Shetty second in speech. Syed Mishari Mustafa second in poster making. Reader's Weasel was second in singing. Elroy Sylvester Lobo third in speech. Kritik third in poster making. Soham Chandras third in essay writing. Grade 10th B, Michelle M. Abraham first in speech, third in poster making. Kushi M. first in poster making, third in singing. Marisha Cardoza first in singing, third in speech. Stuti S. Shetty second in poster making, second in essay writing. Pranav Rao B. first in essay writing. Alden Xavier Montero second in speech. Rian Claire D'Souza second in singing. Advait N third in essay writing. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations to all the winners, and those who have not won this time should not be disheartened. Keep working hard, your talent will be recognized.
Thank you, ma'am. Appreciation is like quality like power. It should be created and released and spent to exist by any means. I request Bhavit of grade 8 to convey his statement of gratitude.
Freedom for the full expression of my personality, says Mahatma Gandhi. Many of our leaders, freedom fighters, and many people sacrificed their own life to achieve the freedom that we enjoy today. Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal, Sister Vincy, Sister Elizabeth, and all the management sisters, teachers, parents, and my fellow students. As we draw our Independence Day celebration to a close, it's my privilege to extend a heartfelt thanks on behalf of the organizing management, staff, and the entire school community. Firstly, I would like to thank our Chief Guest, Mr. Ajay Teres Cardoza, Chief Guest Mr. M.B. Raja, for gracing this occasion with your esteemed presence and for your inspiring words. Your presence has undoubtedly added grandeur to this event. A special thanks to our principal, Sister Marceline D'Souza, for your unwavering support and guidance in making this a grand success. Your vision and dedication continue to inspire us all. Your commitment to nurturing our students and instilling a sense of patriotism is truly commendable. Heartfelt thanks to dear sisters Vincy and Elizabeth and all the sisters, and for your support, dedicated service, and valuable presence. To our dedicated teachers and non-teaching staff, your hard work and meticulous planning have made this program seamless and memorable. We do thank our PTA Vice President, Mr. Ajay Terence Cardoza, and our PTA Secretary, Mrs. Ashika Thakur, for their timely help and support. A big thanks to our students who have worked tirelessly to present such a wonderful array of performances. Your enthusiasm and talent have made this Independence Day celebration vibrant and meaningful. We are also grateful to the parents for their continued support and for being here today to encourage our students. Lastly, I would like to thank all the volunteers and everyone behind the scenes who have worked diligently to ensure the smooth execution of today's event. Your efforts are deeply appreciated. Let us carry forward the spirit of Independence Day in our hearts and strive to contribute positively to our nation. Once again, thank you all for being a part of this celebration and making it a grand success. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Pavit. My affection for my country is truly priceless. My adoration for my kin is interminable. All I desire for my nation is happiness. Today is a day to feel pleased with being a part of this incredible country.
Keeping the penances of our predecessors at the top of the priority list, we ought to make a vow to shape a superior future for our homeland. May the glory of Independence Day be with us for eternity. Once again, an exceptionally blissful Independence Day to all of you. Much thanks to one and all. Let us have a bright day ahead.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले।